Hello, everyone. Recently, Flux has released the official Flux Tools toolset. The effect is stunning, but unfortunately based on the original dev model. Higher video memory usage. Sharing the GGUF quantized versioning workflow, which is open sourced by developer Rocket6. Experience Flux Redux image style migration with only 8 GB of video memory. Double-click run _NVIDIA_GPU. VAT. Select the workflow on the left. Importing workflows within a local project. Here the GGUF model must be selected for the clip model. UNET model for everyone downloaded Q4 quantization. You can also download higher level quantitative models on your own. The higher the level, the better the effect. Upload the images that need to be styled for the migration here. Control migration weights here. 0.4 to 0.7 is a range that works pretty well. Click the Q button to generate the image. Device is a 4060 laptop version. The 20-step iteration takes about 2 minutes. Less than 8 GB of video memory. Here you can see. The hand in the original picture is actually in a chip state. Hand details were added after the migration. Let's have another one. Above, thank you for watching. Here is Lu Yu's technology blog.